Well, hello everyone, and welcome to another edition of Quantum Revelation Training. And if you sign up for the program today, I have my book that I have on Amazon that you can go purchase, Counselor Skills Training Communication Skills. This is my book, about 100 pages long. It can be purchased at Amazon.com. And so I'd love for you to have it free. I'm advertising it free this month, the month of January coming up. So for December and the first part of January, this book is absolutely free by becoming a member of the Quantum Revelation Training that can be found at www.quantumlifenow.org. quantumlifenow.org. So I appreciate you going over to the website, looking around. There's a lot of free information there about the quantum life, about emotional freedom through Christ, a work that I have developed back in 1997. Here in Houston, Texas, I used to do seminars with that particular work that I have developed back then. I use it still now in my practice as a counselor, coach, and mentor. So it's a very important work, and combining that with the book, you could be well educated and trained with tips and techniques and able to do good counseling, coaching, or mentoring. And that's what the Emotional Freedom Through Christ certification program is about. So let me talk about 4 different areas of information in the 12 modules of this training that we're talking about here. Energy medicine, energy psychology, the quantum concepts, and true spirituality. Now, when I talk about true spirituality, I am not talking about religion, as I've stated in another email that I did out to people, as well as for my live stream. I've explained that religion is made up of 2 words. R-E is a prefix. R-E, like you got to return to something or rework something, or that kind of word. So R-E is a prefix beginning of another word. Religion is bondage. If you go look at the root word of bondage there in religion is to return to bondage. You have to do a little research. It's just not straightforward, because most people believe that religion is something positive. But the fact of the matter is, when you look at the root of it, it's talking about return to bondage. And I don't know about you, but I'm not interested in going back to bondage. I think that the word is said clearly, whom the Son has set free is free indeed. And so I'm talking about freedom through this training here called Quantum Revelation Training. Now, this is the month of December, and our present group of mentors are now going to graduate in just a few days. They're in the last steps of all their work to prepare for their certification that will be in just a few days, and I will have pictures of those people that will come up in a few days as well. So look forward to that in the very near future. But you can become a part of the program 2020 training for this particular type of work. Get your certification. You can print it out, and you can put it on the wall or in your office or whatever, and let people know that you actually have been trained in this modality called Quantum Revelation Training. What does it cover? There's 12 modules, and there are 4 specific types of information in these 12 modules. What are those? Energy medicine, energy psychology, the quantum concepts, and true spirituality. Now, EFTC, Emotional Freedom Through Christ, is a proprietary work that I developed in 1997, as I said earlier. Is part of that training, so you get that information. It's very, very important. I used it for years, just doing workshops with that information before I started using any of these other things I've talked about in this little short video clip here. But I want to give you the whole program. If you go to www.quantumlifenow.org, that's right, quantumlifenow.org, you can see another little video clip of me. You can see information about those 12 lessons, or those 12 modules, I should say, with these 4 lessons. I hope you'll go over to the website. There's a lot of free information there, by the way. It's absolutely free for you to use. I hope you'll use it. It's there for you. I did it specifically for people to go by and look at that on the website at www.quantumlifenow.org. Love to have you as a member of the 2020 mentoring program that will start in January. I've already got people that are signed up for the program that are getting ready to start in just weeks from now. But in just a few days, we're going to have our graduates from the 2019 class that we'll show pictures of, and some more testimonies from those particular studios. But I'm excited. Listen, I say a lot of you guys that are watching today, some of you have watched me before, love for you to become a member of the 2020 mentoring class. You'll learn tips and techniques that will help you personally, as well as those people that you deal with, family and friends, and those will come to you with needing help, hope, and healing. Let me give you a little caveat before I close out about emotions. I've said this to you before, and I want to say it one more time. Emotions do not have volition. What does volition mean? It means they do not think. They have no ability to think. What they do, emotions are here and thoughts are here. Emotions ride piggyback on top of what you think. The word is very clear. As a man thinks in his heart, so is he. His actions are reactions. So if you're reacting in life to things that are happening with negative consequences, perhaps this training will be just what the doctor ordered, so to speak. Love to have you in class. Listen, John, I see you. You've been watching me before. Love to have you as a member of our 2020 class. So go ahead. You know, I'm going to close with this thing, this last little thought. People always ask me, Doc, what's the price? Well, it's very economical to get your certificate of completion. It's $50 per month. That's it, just $50 per month. You pay it out in monthly payments. It's there on the website. No, that $50 per month is not on the website. Yeah, that was a little catch there, wasn't it? You have to email me to get that special price, because I have to give the registrar instructions to send you a special link to pay the low discounted price of $50. Paid up front, $500. That's right, you get a link that you can pay the complete thing up front with a big discount for only $50 per month. Now that is a bargain to get a complete certification for only $500. So if you want to pay up front, you can, but if you want to pay by monthly payments, that's available too. It's on our website. In fact, you can actually pay it out in 24 payments. That'll work too. It's whatever you want to do. We're here to help you get your certification. That's right. Do the 12 modules, and at the end you can print out your certification that you can print and put it on the wall to let people know that you've been educated with this particular modality. Tips and techniques, if you're a coach, mentor, or counselor, that you'll be able to be well prepared to help people that come to you for help, hope, and healing. I'd love to see you on the other side as I sign out of this, I'm Dr. Cecil Cockerham, founder of the program. I'd love to have you as a student at 2020. Amen.